I have warmed up well over 200 X accounts in the past year, and this is like a SOP or document that we follow to get our accounts from sending 0 DMs per day to sending 450 DMs per day within 1 week. So this warm process takes 1 week and gets your account from 0 DMs to 450 DMs per day. You can send obviously less, but it is till this mark. But there are like few basic things that you need to understand when you are warming up X or Twitter accounts. The one thing is that you should probably buy some aged accounts. It's not usually a good idea to just create a completely new account and start sending loads of DMs through that. There might be some suspensions with that. So usually we buy X accounts. It's like $5 and you can buy like 5-year-old account and then do this warm up and get that account to actually sending. And so what you want to do, first thing, what you don't want to do is that you don't want to look like a robot. So like don't act like one, avoid constant repetition, and usually reply to DMs. So for example, if you send DMs within this period, I will go over that right now, but if you send some DMs, somebody responds to you, respond to them back, and just like try to avoid repetition and just like act like a normal person is actually using that account. Okay. Once you get the account, first day what we do is that we log that account in. So you just go on x.com and log in that account. If you are doing multiple accounts outreach, it's better to have each account on one IP address, but if you have just like 1 or 2 accounts, it doesn't really matter. You can just log it in on your normal browser. Then once you log it in, you can leave it sitting for 1 day, and then you can change your profile picture, banner, bio, name, username, whatever, all of the things that you want to change there. We change it on day 2 because then 3 days from that you can actually verify the account. Okay, so that's like the thing you want to do first. After that, you can just leave it for 1 day and then we usually start following some people. So for our ideal account setups, we usually follow at least like 100 or like 120 people. So on day 3 and day 4, we actually follow a bunch of people and actually send a few manual DMs. So we start on 5 DMs and then the other day we send 10 DMs. So then day 3, follow 50 people, 5 manual DMs, day 4, follow 50 people and send 10 manual DMs. And also within that time, what you can do from day 3, you can also start posting something if you actually want to post something. For our outreach accounts, we don't post usually anything. I just like retweet other people's tweets. So you can also retweet in this time just people that are in your niche and just like, don't for example retweet like 50 tweets for one person. This is actually the thing I want to mention. If you retweet bunch of tweets, for example, from your account, and you do that on multiple accounts, Twitter might suspect that there is some automation or that you are trying to impersonating someone. So that can get your account suspended. So it's better to retweet bunch of people's tweets. So the timeline, there is like bunch of people, not just one person. Then day 5, you verify the account with Twitter Premium. This is actually necessary if you want to do outreach on X. It costs like $8 and it allows you to DM way more people and also increases your daily DM limit. So I highly recommend to verify your account with Twitter Premium. On day 6, we send 50 DMs and buy followers. And then from day 7, we start sending 450 DMs per day. If you are wondering how we are sending 450 DMs per day, I'm not certainly doing that manually. We have our own automation software called xreacher.com, and what this basically allows you to do is that you can connect your own Twitter account into it, then select the leads that you want to message, and it will start messaging them on autopilot. So that's what you can do for those first 50 DMs per day. It's free for 50 DMs per day, so you can do that for the warm-up process, and then you can also do it for sending the DMs. If you like this, watch the video below, watch this whole outreach series. It's really useful if you want to do outreach on X. Okay, see ya.